Okay, the storm is hit. The storm is officially hit. What do you think, Tate? It's not raining.
It's pretty windy. I mean,
Stop.
just a second ago, dirt was flying everywhere.
Dude, this tree is like the basketball hoop was moving. It's over there.
Trees are tipping over.
And, like, it's not raining yet, but I just stopped the course. Holy crap! Tate, do you see that? Do you see that?
Oh my goodness!
Tornado! Get down! Oh my goodness! Run! Get under the house! Get in! We just hide in the closet! No, hide in the closet! Oh my goodness, Tate! Oh my goodness, Tate! What am I calling? I didn't think there was tornadoes. Oh my goodness. You okay?
Yeah.
Tate, you got a sunburn, you said?
Well, yeah, and it rubbed against it.
Shh. Let's go check it. Shh. Everything's the fan's still going. Has somebody at the door? Oh no. Shh, stay quiet. Quiet. Oh man! Oh man! Get under the bed!